Welcome back. Today I'm going to go over the Doctor's Walnut Oil. So we just introduced this on the website. We have the Doctor's Walnut Oil, the Pins Plus, and the Microcrystal Paste Wax. So I'm going to go over this one in this video and show you a couple different things, applications for it, and also how I use it as a sanding lubricant. So let's go ahead and I'll move the camera over and show you how I do it. I have a bottle opener blank all set up and ready to go. I went ahead and turned this blank. It's ambrosia maple, has some beautiful color in it. So what I normally do is turn the shape. I run through 1 or 2 grits dry just to make sure I get out any little torn spots, if I have any or not, any sort of imperfections before I apply the Doctor's Walnut Oil. So this is the application that I use it for. I use it as a sanding paste. So at that point it captures all of the sanding dust as you're going through the grits, which works out really nice. You can also just dry sand this and use it for like salad bowls. It's a food safe finish. You can just apply it right on after you're done. But if you want to, this captures all the dust. I turn the lathe speed down anywhere in between 150 to 300 or so it doesn't splatter around too much. You can just apply it right onto the workpiece. Blank, and it really just brings out the color in it. What I do is run through each grit just like I would if I was dry sanding. And before I move on to the next grit, take a paper towel, wipe it off real quick. That way, if any of the, anything out the sandpaper, any little bits of it come off, you're not sanding on the next grit with that. But it brings out the color in it, and it is beautiful. And then as a top coat, you can use the microcrystal, the paste wax over the top of it too. But we're just going to go over this today. So I just run through all the grits just like that, all the way up to, I usually go all the way to 600. But it depends on what you want to do. You can run up higher if you like. But the sanding paste, or using the walnut oil as a sanding paste, is a fantastic way. It keeps the piece of wood cool, so you're not getting any sanding, heating it up with sandpaper and getting any checking from it, and it's putting on the finish at the same time. I like that satin finish, so it's a win-win for me, and it's super easy, food safe for salad bowls and things like that. But I just work my way through it, just go through the sandpaper all the way up to 600 and then wipe it off. You can just bring the lathe speed up when you're all done. Just polish it up a little bit. This obviously isn't 600 yet, but just bring the lathe speed up, get out any excess, and the heat from turning the lathe speed up makes it dry even quicker. So it's a great finish. It dries completely, and it's food safe. I hope that cleared up any questions about the Doctor's Walnut Oil. It's just a great food safe finish, and it works fantastic as a sanding lubricant too. So like I said earlier, I'll get another video out with the Pins Plus and the Microcrystal Paste Wax too. Alright, if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer them or do another video on whatever it is. Alright, take care.